Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a free digital resource for research. This is called World Book Online, and it is published by the same people who gave us our trusty World Book encyclopedias. I say free because it's free to staff and students, but it is a paid resource from Killeen ISD, so it's something that we should definitely be using for our daily research needs. In order to get started, we're going to go to worldbookonline.com. And our login is going to be generic, so you can write this down, KISD 049. And the password is going to be 049WB for World Book. And you can remember, so we don't have to do that again. And we'll sign in. Once we get logged in, you can see there's 9 databases. These are for different age groups and different purposes. Today we're going to be looking at the student database. This is designed for middle school. Once we get logged into World Book Student, you can see there's a very cool picture with a featured article on that photo. There are current events, a biography center, and featured media. And something that's really cool about this first login page is that it is always different every time you log in. There's some new picture or new event going on this page, so that's pretty neat. Today we're going to focus in on the Biography Center, so we'll take a look here in more biographies. It always begins with today's birthday biographies. There's also the search option and the browse option. There's also view biography collections, and both of these are designed for times when you don't know exactly who you want to research, but maybe you know a little bit about what you're interested in. So those are really helpful. However, if you know who you're going to research, all you do is type their name in here. Today we're going to use Thomas Jefferson as an example. You can see underneath this initial article we have some other important people that are related to Thomas Jefferson, and if you're a history buff you probably know exactly why those people are listed there near his name. So we're going to click on Thomas Jefferson. The article pulls up a really neat picture, and this is the article regarding Thomas Jefferson. You can easily scroll down and read this article, or if you would like, you can let it read itself. So we would just click on the ear and I'll let you hear how that sounds.
Jefferson, Thomas, 1743 to 1826, was the 3rd President of the United States.
Okay, so you can kind of see how that sounds when it reads it to you, and also kind of cool but not necessary. You can change the voice to sort of play with the accents and the gender of the person who's reading to you. So when we look up at the top of the article, this gives us some more options on how to view everything. When you click on contents, this is going to break down some categories and even some subcategories for you. Of course, you can look at these and see if there's anything inside of them that you are wanting to go directly to, and you can see that they are linked. So you would just click on those areas of interest. Okay, we'll just close that. Then, of course, the next tab is Media. Media has photos, it has maps. This symbol here means charts, so you can click on any of these for more information. You can just kind of scroll down and see some of the neat things that are maintained here. And this here is a photo of a primary source. You can see that that is a primary source there. If you see a music note, that means it's going to be sound of some sort, so I'll just click on this so you can see the example of that.
All, too, will bear in mind this sacred principle, that though the will of the majority is in all cases to prevail, that will to be rightful must be reasonable.
So, of course, we know there was no way to record Jefferson's voice, so this is kind of a mock-up with the words that we actually do have from history. So, anytime you want to get out of a certain area, you can always just X out of that part of the content, and then it'll take us back here. The last we'll look at is the related. Here we have related articles that are within World Book Online. So all of these will just take you back into another section of World Book Online. These are related biographies. These are other related articles that mention Thomas Jefferson. So if you're reading about Thomas Jefferson across one of these topics, if you want to learn more about that specific topic there. Okay, so we can close that. All right, and one cool feature of World Book Student is that you can get the citation directly from the website. You don't have to go to a citation builder or learn the format for the citation, and you do that simply by clicking on the settings wheel and clicking on citation, and then this pops up. So you have how to cite this article. This is the format. You guys are going to be using MLA, so you would just highlight and you would just copy and paste that into your citations page. So that's really easy and a great tool for your research. It's always important to cite your information. All right, and then finally, just to kind of show you guys, once you're finished with the article, you can always get back to the Biography Center by clicking on the menu and click on Biography Center. And there you go. You're back to the Biography Center. And again, don't forget about these other two sections that are super helpful for determining exactly who you want to research. So happy researching using World Book Student, and I hope you guys learned a little bit more about our Biography Center with today's tutorial. As always, you can ask me any questions by stopping by the library, and I would be glad to help you with any of your research needs. Thank you.